On consumption first, if we look at consumer services sector, including travel-related sector, like retailing, these haven't been fully recovered to the pre-COVID level. So that's why we think there's still further room for them to recover. And besides that, if there's more fiscal stimulus support and the economy in general could further recover, we think more broadly, other consumer sectors may benefit as well. For stocks, we like food and beverage, which still have decent earnings growth, and at the same time, the valuation is pretty low, which looks more attractive. So that's why we think on consumer space, there's still investment opportunities, especially among the mass market consumption areas.
Mm-hmm. So Lynn, a moment ago, had her finger on the pulse when she said that top of mind is how to woo back concerned investors, particularly global investors, with thoughts that maybe even they should be creating some kind of invest in China brand. What do you think needs to happen to get back those investors?
Yeah, we think we need to understand the economic conditions now that we are seeing the growth driver has been changing. In the next few years, we continue to expect property-related sector to drive GDP. But on the other hand, we are seeing new growth driver, including clean energy, EV, batteries. This investment, although not fully, but partially, could offset some GDP drag. So we think it requires investors to make more active sector selection and stock picking actions to capture the alpha opportunities. So that makes short-term investors benefit more, including like hedge fund investor. But for some long-term investors who would be more concerned about the property issue, local government debt issue. So that's why, which may keep them away from the market. But we think looking into next year, as the authority has mentioned to step up fiscal policy support, that may be taken as a positive signal for investors, especially who can trade more frequently and who may select more among different stocks and sectors. They may be more willing to participate at this moment.